Hello everyone, Sergio again. Back here. This is I started recording here because I ended the Stingray at 11.084. It's a pretty good, decent time to take on those 01s in the 1640 turf tune lobby. Still, without no perfect launch, I took in this Viper down 1637. And yeah, let's go back to my garage and I'll show you guys a good tune for this car. As I said in my other video, I will be doing a giveaway for the GMC Cyclone. If you guys can't hear me that loud, I was saying that just write your name in the comments below if you like this video and the Nissan Skyline turf tuned. Please give it a like, and if you have a chance, just subscribe. And right now, where's the turf tune? So let's get started. Alright, tires, same thing as always, man. Yeah, just say it's the best. I believe these are supposed to be, yeah, everything must be stock. The exhaust system, the intake system, the internal, but something you need to get spicy on this car. I said spicy because you need to put this at first stage. Transmissions, first stage, just you had to put at first stage. If not, you might have a crappy tune. I'm just gonna say I'm sorry. Why don't you just borrow my tune? And it's just easy, no engine stress. You could just be racing this goddamn car for ages, man. This car could be a good tune for a 1640 lobby. It hits 10.5 or 10.4 boosted, and whoop, that's the tune. Everything stock except the transmission must be first stage. And then their weight reduction must be at max. So if not, if you guys have a better tune, just tell me. I'll call you. I'll text you back. And as I was saying, here was the car I'll be giving away. It's a truck, B class. This is a turf tune. Best time I ever ran was a 12.2, but boosted it goes like 11.5, and that makes a huge difference. So I just gonna give you a tune, so who cares? So here's the tune, you guys. Tires, must be best. Tires, engine, the connecting rod stage 2, valve kit, or yeah, stage 1, crankshaft stage 1, camshaft stage 1, pistons stage 2, displantimental or some stage 1, engine head stage 2, and fuel system stage 1, and not but not least camshaft, cam gear stock. Let's go to turbo and piping stock, intercooler stock. I think everything's stock. Turbocharger, yeah, this thing is stock. Blown valve, or yeah, alright, the turbo must be stock. Yeah, the turbo must be stock. exhaust system, the cat converter, stock, pipe mufflers, stage 1, the header, stage 2, drivetrain, differential, stock, the clutch, I believe it's stock, and then flywheel stock, stock, and then transmission must be first stage, stage 1. Now we're going intake system, intake kit, stock, intake valve, stock, and not but not least throttle body, stage 1. Weight must be stock, but I don't care. I studied that stock. Some weight reduction, stage, no upgrades, it's just stock. And then yep, and that's the turf tune for B class GMC Cyclone. If you want me to do another turf tune, I got this truck and I have some others. So if not, I'll go ahead and buy some money and possibly do possibly a tune for I don't know where it is. I can guys show you my tune for a Corvette I was saving for, but don't know where is it at, but I don't care. So oh yeah, in my next episode we're doing the Buick B class 1630 lobby. I'll be doing that for my next episode. So oh yeah, charging. Yeah, like and subscribe, and I'll be doing a giveaway by next week. So I'll see you guys later. Bye.